Everyone, this is the second of our Christmas drinks. This is just Bucking Thyme, mains with a CROSSIP limited edition rich berry. This is cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, ginger, eucalyptus, a little bit of raspberry, and then the main flavours of sour cherry, damson, and blackberry. So, we're going to add 25 ml of rich berry into a glass. We're going to add some thyme syrup. This is a homemade thyme syrup, so that's thyme, sugar, knead that together, add some hot water to it in equal parts to sugar and water, stir it, and then you're ready to go. Add that in, so 10 ml. 10 ml of lemon juice. Fill it with ice. And then it's a ginger ale. This is a London Essence ginger ale, one of our partners. So this is a lovely ginger ale, nice and delicate. Top it up. Give it a churn. Garnish with some fresh thyme from the garden, and you're ready. Merry Christmas.